Welcome back. Saving the spiciest bit for the last, we have for you the handsome hunks from Mumbai, the true blue Desi boys who charmed the people of Dubai as they visited us to promote their film, Vicky Donor, which many of us must have seen by now. Vicky Donor is a romantic comedy film directed by Shoojit Sircar and produced by the extremely intelligent and eloquent John Abraham. The film has Ayushmann Khurrana making his debut as the protagonist and Yami Gautam and Anu Kapoor in the other lead roles. The film has received great reviews so far. It was nice to see John Abraham in his new avatar of film producer, talking to the media about all the planning that went behind this move.
I am a media planner. I've worked on media plans in the past. And I honestly believe I understand media better than anyone else around here in terms of planning, strategic planning and implementation, buying. So I understood the finances of this film. My revenue models were in place. I can't speak about how much I've put into this film, but I can confidently say that that doesn't reflect on what I want from the movie, but when the first ticket of this movie sold, we're a plus on the table. And I think that's important. But besides that, the most important thing is the credibility for me as a producer. And I think for a first film, I think Vicky Donor is an absolutely credible film. And more than a credible film, I think it's an incredible film.
I need a good quality Indian sperm donor.
कोई क्रिकेटर वाला सैंपल दिखाओ ना, देश के लिए खेलेगा, नोट छापेगा अलग से.
आपको दो नहीं चाहिए, और तो अनु चाहिए नहीं ऐश्वर्या. पहले करियर डिसाइड करो, बाद में बच्चा पैदा करो.
Ayushmann has come a long way from radio to TV to movies, and going by his simple and honest charm, I'm sure we'll see a lot more of him in the future.
नाम है विक्की अरोरा. फेसबुक पे स्टेटस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है और उसके ग्रेट ग्रैंडफादर के 19 बच्चे थे.
कितने?
I waited for 4 years for the right kind of film, right kind of director, right kind of producer. Because on television you can do a lot of stuff. You can mimic, you can fool around, you can make fun of people. But when it comes to films, it's serious business. It's all about the choices you make. And since I've anchored a lot of shows on television, anchoring is like talking to the camera, and acting is completely different. It's like being oblivious that the camera is rolling. It's like ignoring the camera. So I had to unlearn a lot of stuff because I was used to anchoring for the past 4 years. So I took this theatre workshop in Delhi with Professor N.K. Sharma.
शक्ल देखकर बंदे का स्पर्म पहचान जाता हूँ. ऐसे डीएनए आर्यन रेस के देखे गए हैं. तू प्योर आर्यन रेस है, आर्य पुत्र है.
Ayushmann has also composed and actually sung a song in the film, the mesmerizing Pani Da Rang Dekh Ke.
Mahiyana aaya mera, mahiyana aaya, mahiyana aaya mera, mahiyana aaya, ranjana na aaya mera, mahiyana aaya, mahiyana aaya mera, ranjana na aaya, khanda noor vekh ke, akhan da noor vekh ke.
The John Ayushmann team was rock solid and their easy camaraderie was palpable. Hope to see more entertaining movies like Vicky Donor.
Sperm से थोड़ा ऊपर आकर देखो, हार्ट नाम की चीज होती है. What about love? तुसी बॉन्ग हो?
Yes.
I was just reading one of your interviews and you said, I have planned my career like a game of chess. So obviously turning producer was something that was planned before?
Yeah, I always wanted to be a producer and chess because it's my favorite game in the world.
Okay.
I love chess and I follow Vishwanathan Anand very closely and he's a very close friend also. Anyway, besides the point, I know this is what I wanted to do and I wanted to be an effective, creative, hands-on producer. And I think this is the best way to start it with a film like Vicky Donor.
Why did you pick a subject like this?
Because I read the script. I thought it was absolutely outstanding. I thought it was brilliant. And I thought that if I start my career as a producer with a film like Vicky Donor, it'll be a benchmark to show the audience what JA Entertainment can deliver in the future in the quality of their films. Vicky Donor is an absolutely high quality, high production value film with great performances and a great cast. But like I say, you know, with all due respect, with Ayushmann sitting here, it is the content which is the king of this of the story and of the film. And I think when your content's in place and your screenplay is in place, you have a great film.
True.
And Ayushmann.
Yeah, so let's come to you, Ayushmann. It's your first movie, isn't it?
The first movie,
How
debut
is it
movie.
working with John Abraham?
I think.
I think he worked with Shujit Sarkar, the director, more than he worked with me.
Best part is I didn't audition for the film.
Really?
He just casted me directly. He thought,
So
you know, I have this. Yeah, that's a very nice question. But no, in fact, Shujit Sarkar wanted somebody who had a youth connect and who's Punjabi. So he was actually taking all the quintessential or maybe the prerequisites. So I was selected as a leading guy for
And I saw the
Vicky Donor.
promo and you've done a fab job.
Thank you so much.
For first-time actor.
Thanks a lot. And
so
working
you
with
are talented.
and talking about John as a producer, more than a producer, is like a buddy, like an elder brother. And I can relate to him because even he didn't have a godfather in the industry when he entered. And same is the case with me. So
it's all about talent.
Talent and he tells me about, you know, certain things that you should be a little humble, how to position yourself in the industry. He's been there, done that. So I think it's good to have a mentor like him.
Great. A little bit about the story you would like to tell us. What is it about?
I think Vicky Donor's a film about, without letting out too much of the story, it's first of all a rom-com. It's a beautiful love story and it's a very emotional story. It's very high on content and it's about a love story between a Punjabi boy and a Bengali girl. And it's also his relationship with the Dr. Chadda, who's the owner of a fertility clinic. And how beautiful this whole relationship pans out, and the relationship between the two families is what Vicky Donor is about. It's a really special film, and it's a universal film that everyone can see. And that's all I can say, because my point is that sperm donation as a concept is taboo to a large extent.
Absolutely.
And when people think about this, they'd be wondering whether they should go for this film or not, technically. But this film's a UA. You know, if censors have given a UA, it means everybody can go for this film. I mean, with all due respect, Desi Boys was an adult film, but Vicky Donor's a UA. So you can imagine how non-offensive the film is, and we're so excited about this. And it's important for us to tell this story to the world, and we're doing it with the right cast and the right director.
You said Dubai is always lucky for you. Tell us a little more about this city and what you like here.
Well, I like the people. I think they're always smiling. I honestly think the media asks very sensible questions here, which I think is rare. And you agree with me completely. And I also feel...
I have to agree right now.
I was part of the media in Bombay.
Okay.
4 years I've been asking questions. First time answering.
You're on the other side.
Yeah.
I think whatever I've come here with, at least 90% or 95% of the time has worked. So that's why I consider it lucky. But irrespective of that, as a very confident producer, I must tell you, Vicky Donor will work.
All the best to you.
Thank you.
What about you? Dubai and you?
This is the first time in Dubai. I still
Oh
have
my
to explore the
God.
city.
Yes, you must.
I've not been outside these 4 walls till now. So
For all the women here, would you like to donate your sperms?
Would I like to donate the sperms for all the women out there? I don't know, but I think there's nothing wrong with sperm donation. And I think for altruistic reasons, when you say for reasons that are not for money, I think it's a very credible cause. And I think there are a lot of childless couples who may require sperms, not necessarily mine all the time, but sperms in general. And we have Arya Puttar out here, who is brilliant.
even if you do it for financial reasons, it's okay since the cause is achieved. And you have to see the film for that. Altruistic or financial.
Definitely. We're watching whole of Dubai, so you watch the film.
घर पे बैठे बैठे बाप बन रहा हूँ मैं. Next time twice.
थोड़ा देख कर जा.
Sir, rate बढ़ा दो मेरा.
And that's all we have time for tonight. Keep track of us all week on Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to tell us what you love and what you would like to see more of. Till I see you all next week, keep putting your best foot forward and keep living life king size. This is Uma signing off. Tonight's episode was filmed at Blissland Interiors in the heart of Barsha, a great place to visit for all home fashion.